Welcome to my kitchen, the heart of our culinary adventures. Today we're embarking on a journey to create something truly special. Today we're making Marry Me Chicken. Yes, you heard that right. It's a dish so incredibly delicious, legend says it inspires marriage proposals. People have even claimed it's the reason they got engaged. Imagine juicy, perfectly cooked chicken breasts, tender and flavorful. Now picture them swimming in a luscious, creamy, sun-dried tomato sauce. This sauce is the real star of the show. We'll infuse it with a hint of fragrant herbs and just a touch of sweetness to balance the richness. It's a dish that's fancy enough to impress on date night, creating a memorable experience. But the best part? It's surprisingly easy to make, perfect for any weeknight when you want something special without spending hours in the kitchen. This recipe isn't just about the incredible taste, it's about more than just satisfying your hunger. It's about creating a warm, inviting atmosphere and a moment your loved ones will truly remember and cherish. Whether you're secretly hoping for a proposal, or simply want to add a spark to your relationship, or just want to wow your family with a restaurant-quality meal, this dish absolutely delivers on all fronts. Good food has an amazing power to bring people together, fostering connection and conversation. And this Marry Me Chicken? It's a true crowd pleaser, guaranteed to leave everyone feeling happy and satisfied. So let's roll up our sleeves and make some magic happen in the kitchen. Are you ready to create a meal that speaks volumes? A meal that says, I love you in every single delicious bite? Fantastic. Let's get started and unlock the secrets to this unforgettable dish. Here's what you'll need. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, all-purpose flour, salt, and black pepper. For the sauce-heavy cream, chicken broth, and sun-dried tomatoes packed in oil, use some of that oil for extra flavor. Add minced garlic, dried oregano, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for warmth. Finish with fresh basil and grated Parmesan cheese for richness. You'll also need olive oil and unsalted butter for cooking. That's it. Simple, everyday ingredients that come together beautifully. No fancy shopping trips required. Gather your ingredients and let's head to the stove. Time to cook up something unforgettable. First, we're going to prep our chicken. Pat the chicken breasts dry with paper towels. This is a crucial step. Removing excess moisture helps achieve that beautiful golden brown sear we're after. A dry surface promotes better browning and prevents the chicken from steaming instead of searing. Next, dredge each chicken breast in a seasoned flour mixture. Make sure each breast is evenly coated. The flour creates a light crust that adds texture and helps to thicken the sauce later on. Now, for the magic. In a hot skillet, melt butter with olive oil. The combination of oil and butter prevents the butter from burning and adds richness to the dish. Sear the chicken in the hot oil and butter until it develops a beautiful golden brown crust. This step is all about building flavor. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside. But, and this is important, don't clean the pan. Those brown bits stuck to the bottom are flavor gold. They're called fond, and they'll add depth and complexity to our sauce. To build on that flavor, add a splash of sun-dried tomato oil to the pan. The oil is infused with the intense flavor of sun-dried tomatoes, adding a concentrated burst of umami. Then, add minced garlic to the pan and cook until fragrant, usually about 30 seconds. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as it can become bitter. Deglaze the pan with chicken broth, scraping up all those flavorful brown bits from the bottom. This is where the magic really happens, releasing all that concentrated flavor into the sauce. Stir in heavy cream, creating a rich and decadent base for our sauce. Add chopped sun-dried tomatoes, which provide a sweet and tangy counterpoint to the richness of the cream. Season with dried oregano and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat. Then, let the sauce simmer until thickened, allowing the flavors to meld together beautifully. Stir in grated Parmesan cheese for a salty, nutty flavor, and season to taste with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Return the chicken to the pan, nestling it into the creamy sauce. Spoon the luscious sauce generously over the chicken, ensuring each piece is well coated. Let it all simmer gently for a few minutes, allowing the chicken to absorb the flavors of the sauce. Finish with a generous sprinkle of fresh basil leaves, adding a pop of freshness and vibrant color. Serve this incredible dish straight from the skillet, creamy, savory, utterly irresistible, and guaranteed to impress. That's Marry Me Chicken, proposal-worthy in every single delicious bite. To ensure your chicken cooks evenly and beautifully, here's a simple yet crucial tip. Pound those chicken breasts with a meat mallet to an even thickness, or if you prefer, slice them into thinner cutlets. This will help them cook faster and more consistently. Now when searing, patience is key. Don't move the chicken too much while it's in the hot pan. Let it sit and develop that gorgeous golden brown crust. That's where so much of the flavor comes from. Want to sneak in some greens and boost the nutritional value? Add a handful of fresh spinach. Or perhaps you're a mushroom lover. Sliced mushrooms add an earthy depth that complements the creamy sauce perfectly. For an extra layer of flavor complexity, deglaze the pan with a splash of dry white wine. It'll lift all those delicious browned bits from the bottom and create a richer sauce. When it's time to serve, the possibilities are endless. Serve it over a bed of your favorite pasta, creamy mashed potatoes, or alongside some crusty bread, perfect for soaking up every last bit of that delectable sauce. The most important thing is to savor each and every bite. Thank you for cooking with me today. Share this heartwarming dish with the special people in your life. It's a surefire way to bring smiles to the table. If you found this recipe delightful, I warmly invite you to join our global family cookbook community for even more delicious recipes, heartwarming stories, and culinary inspiration. Remember, cooking is more than just following instructions. It's about infusing your dishes with love and care. And this Marry Me Chicken recipe is a testament to the power of food to create connections and lasting memories. So happy cooking, everyone! And may your kitchen always be a place of joy, laughter, and delicious creations.